Hi Daniel and Ernesto, Anne Marie here. How are you? Today we're here. Liam's going to pan over. These are all the bags you sent us. And so what I'll do is I'll make sure that I put one through the machine. I've got the machine running at 45 feet a minute. You want to do 25 bags a minute. That's going to be one heck of an operator to keep up with that. But some companies if they want to do those kind of speeds, have 2 operators. Today we're doing it on our band sealer. Unfortunately, gentlemen, all I have is a medical band sealer. I don't have any band sealers being built right now. I have all hot air. It always comes in runs of either hot air or band. So this week we've got, this last few weeks has been hot air. So but I do have this medical band sealer. And so the only difference is what it has a touch screen on it, which you don't have, nor would you need. It's medical. All we do in medical is add more bells and whistles, because they have to prove that the bag was sealed at such and such temperature and speed and heat and so on and so forth. So I found a temperature I believe is going to go through all your bags. Again, these machines are variable motorized pedestals, which makes it really easy because you have a lot of different sizes here. All right, so let's try to seal some of your bags. Again, I'm running 130 degrees. I'm running 45 feet a minute. Your bags are approximately, I think the longest one's about 14 inches, so that'll be no problem getting your 25 bags a minute. So what I want to do is make sure we can keep it all at the same temperature, which will make it really, really nice and easy. So as you can see, this is a fabulous seal, okay? So we're going to do a bunch more, but this one, all your bags are sealing like this, okay? So we've got a height change here. So we want to seal underneath that handle. We've got a great seal again underneath the handle. Let me see, I got a block in here. That's what I did. I put blocks in here. So you can see the great seal we got. Do you see that? Yeah. Okay. So now again, I think we might need another height change. Put this down a little bit, just a little bit. And feed that in. Another great seal. A little hard to show you, but it's blue, so it's really dark. Again, 45 feet a minute, so you can get those 25 bags a minute. So, let me do this one here. Put this back up again. I mean, all your materials are really nice on the sealer, really, really nice. You can seal it, put the seal anywhere you want, as you can tell, because you can easily change the height. Another great so you can see it. It's really, really nice. Okay, and then we have, now this bag here, let's see what we got here. Oh, and then you have these bags. They're really, really thin. And these really thin bags. Oh, there's one with print on it. Hold on a second. And let's put them through to see if we can. Now I don't have to worry about the height, because I just put it up a little bit. That seal came out fabulous. Look at that. It's a great seal. I mean, there's no way to pull it apart. Super great seal. I'm sealing it all. So what I'm trying to do is find a good temperature so that we can only do, you don't have to fool around with the temperature. The only thing you'll be fooling around with is height, which you have to do because you get all the different size bags. But to see at 140, we're sealing everything. Everything's sealing at 140. So this bag is under a pound, and the machine will run under a pound, okay? This bag is under a pound. The machine will run under a pound without the support of a conveyor. It's not designed to hold weight, it's only designed, that's why you have the conveyor. But when you get this small, so you don't have to worry about the spread between the conveyor and the sealer. And then it will just come out, you might want to have a box or something like that. Like that would be good, how it just did. Drop on the conveyor and then you might have a bin or something that you drop it into. So that seals super, all your bags seal great. So then what we have here is your matte bag. It's a matte finish. You have your kind of high gloss, shiny. You've got, just kind of a polypropylene kind of a bag here. You have these matte bags. You have super thin polyethylene. I believe that's polyethylene. So again, we can seal all of it. And again, at your speed. And I think at 45 feet a minute. And here we go. Great seal. As you can see, hold on, let's see. So, Ernesto and Daniel, thank you. Marcella will send you the video on the Super Sealer SB20. That'll give you the whole outlook of the sealer. Here, you were trying to see your bag sealed on the Super Sealer at the speeds you want, and we achieved that right now. So we really hope to get your order and look forward to working with you. Thank you.